This is a Copic marker. I've used these markers for a very long time now, but lots of them have started to run out of ink. So I thought it'd be a cool idea if I did one last drawing with the markers that still work while not stopping until they run out. And yeah, that's about it. Enjoy! Before we get started with this challenge, we got to do the inking, so let's just get into it. In this video, I'm going to be doing another full page doodle because they're my favorite type of drawing and I haven't done one in a while. Inking is about halfway done and I'm already quite bored, so I'm gonna play some basketball. Yeah, I'm gonna stick the drawing. It's now day 2 and today I'm gonna try and finish the inking and start the coloring too. You do be kinda shy though. Inking is all done and I'm kinda happy with it. I really don't know, to be honest, but it's time to color now, so let's see how it turns out.
You said we had it all. That shit would drive me crazy. Cause outside
it's been 3 days since I started this drawing and I'm gonna try and finish all of the coloring today.
But behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love. You said we had it all. That shit would drive me crazy.
At this point in the doodle, a couple of my markers have run out, but not any more than like 3 or 4. Okay, it's time for a break, so I'm gonna go make an epic Tim Tam meal. For this, all you'll need is a Tim Tam and some whipped cream. Just get your Tim Tam, put a tiny bit of whipped cream on top, and voila! You've got yourself an amazing gourmet dish.
But behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
We're nearing the halfway mark of the drawing and now almost 20. Yes, 20 of my markers have stopped working. Oh no, another marker just died on me. Rest in peace, B05, my favorite blue marker.
Chicago's waiting for job offers on the table, and she tells all her friends that's why they think we're stable.
In this drawing, a grand total of 42 markers ran out of ink, but let me tell you, I think it was worth it. But just before I show you the epic reveal, Gil,
what?
If you can guess how many markers died in that box, I will shout out your new YouTube channel and you will go famous.
48?
Actually, what the hell?
Yeah, I guess so.
Oh, you got it! What? Wait, yeah, I'm not even joking, you actually guessed it. There's 48 markers died.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I'm just kidding, you didn't get it.
Oh, frick you. Make sure to like and subscribe to Shrimpy, otherwise I'll haunt you.
What?